Seniors. Eat sweet potatoes like this to reverse 12 hidden health problems. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Did you know that something as simple and affordable as a sweet potato could be hiding the solution to many of the most frustrating health problems seniors face? From stiff joints and weak immunity to memory decline and heart concerns, this humble root has the power to make a huge difference. And here's the best part. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated recipes. Just eating sweet potatoes the right way can help turn things around. So if you or someone you love is over 50, make sure you stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you exactly why sweet potatoes deserve a regular place on your plate. Welcome back to Fitness Tips, the channel where we bring you science-backed ways to stay strong, energetic, and independent as you age. Today we're focusing on one of the most underrated foods for seniors, the sweet potato. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are naturally rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and special plant compounds that specifically target the health challenges we face as we get older. But here's the kicker, it's not just about eating them, it's about eating them the right way to unlock all their benefits. By the time we're done, you'll not only understand how this vibrant root vegetable helps your body, but you'll also know how to prepare it for maximum nutrition. So let's get into the 12 hidden health problems sweet potatoes can help reverse, and why seniors should embrace them. Sweet potatoes strengthen aging eyes. One of the biggest fears many seniors have is losing their eyesight. The good news is that sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for keeping your vision sharp, especially in low light. If you've ever struggled with night driving or reading in dim rooms, low vitamin A could be part of the problem. Studies show that eating foods high in beta-carotene can significantly reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Sweet potatoes, with their deep orange flesh, are one of the richest sources you can find. Here's something fascinating. One medium sweet potato actually contains more than 400% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. That means even eating them a few times a week can keep your eyes stronger and help delay those frustrating vision problems. Boosts brain health and memory. As we age, memory lapses become more common, and for many seniors, the thought of cognitive decline is frightening. Sweet potatoes can help. The purple variety, in particular, is rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage. These compounds improve blood flow to the brain, reduce inflammation, and may even support new neuron growth. Researchers have found that diets high in anthocyanins are linked to better memory and learning ability. For seniors, this means fewer senior moments and sharper thinking well into the later years. Imagine being able to remember names, dates, and conversations with more ease. A simple serving of purple sweet potato baked or steamed a few times a week could support your brain in ways you never expected. Protects heart health. Heart disease remains the #1 cause of death for seniors, but sweet potatoes can help lower your risk. They're high in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in the body and lowers blood pressure. They also contain soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and removes it from the body before it can build up in your arteries. Here's something most people don't realize. A single medium sweet potato has about as much potassium as a banana, but with fewer sugars. So if you've been told to watch your heart health, sweet potatoes are one of the tastiest and most effective foods you can turn to. Supports digestive health. Digestive issues are incredibly common among seniors, ranging from constipation to irregular bowel movements. Sweet potatoes are an excellent solution because they're packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. This means they not only soften stool and promote regularity but also feed the healthy bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome is connected to stronger immunity, better mood, and even improved weight control. If you've been feeling bloated or sluggish, adding baked sweet potato with the skin on can make a noticeable difference in just a few days. Helps regulate blood sugar. You might think sweet potatoes are off limits if you're concerned about blood sugar, but the truth is the opposite. Unlike white potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index. This means they cause a slower, more stable rise in blood sugar rather than a sharp spike. They also contain a compound called kyapo, found in the skin, which has been shown in studies to lower blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. For seniors dealing with insulin resistance or trying to avoid diabetes complications, sweet potatoes can be a safe and beneficial choice. The trick is in how you prepare them. Boiling sweet potatoes and letting them cool before eating can actually reduce their glycemic index even further, making them a smart carb choice. Strengthens bones and joints. Bone density naturally decreases as we age, putting seniors at risk for fractures and joint pain. Sweet potatoes are rich in manganese, magnesium, and vitamin C, all of which are crucial for bone health. Magnesium supports calcium absorption, manganese helps in forming bone tissue, and vitamin C is vital for collagen production, which keeps joints flexible. If arthritis or stiff knees have been slowing you down, sweet potatoes may offer some natural relief. Eating them regularly can supply your body with the nutrients it needs to keep bones stronger and joints less painful. Improved skin health. Skin changes are one of the most visible signs of aging. Wrinkles, dryness, and age spots often make seniors feel older than they are. Sweet potatoes, with their wealth of beta-carotene, act like a natural internal sunscreen. Once converted into vitamin A, this compound protects skin cells from damage caused by UV rays and pollution. Did you know that people who eat more foods rich in beta-carotene are often described as looking healthier, with a natural glow to their skin? That's because the antioxidants in sweet potatoes literally show through your skin, giving it a youthful appearance. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent driver behind so many age-related diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Sweet potatoes contain choline, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, all of which reduce inflammation in the body. For seniors struggling with joint stiffness or chronic pain, incorporating sweet potatoes into the diet can help calm down inflammation naturally. Instead of relying only on painkillers, this food works at the root level, soothing the body from within. Strengthens immunity. As we get older, our immune systems naturally weaken, leaving us more vulnerable to colds, flu, and infections. Sweet potatoes, packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, help build a stronger immune defense. Vitamin A keeps the mucous membranes in your nose and throat strong, acting as the first line of defense against viruses. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, while B6 keeps the immune system balanced. For seniors, this means fewer sick days and a stronger ability to fight off seasonal illnesses. A serving of sweet potato soup during the colder months can be a delicious way to build protection from the inside out. Helps maintain healthy weight. Weight management can be a struggle as metabolism slows down with age. Sweet potatoes, despite being starchy, are actually weight-friendly. The fiber in them increases satiety, keeping you full for longer, and their slow-digesting carbs provide steady energy without crashes. Here's something surprising. People who include sweet potatoes in their diet tend to eat fewer overall calories, because the natural sweetness satisfies cravings without the need for processed desserts. That makes them a smart choice for seniors trying to maintain or even lose weight. Improves energy levels. Feeling tired or lacking energy is one of the most common complaints seniors share. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly and steadily. They're also rich in B vitamins, which help your body convert food into fuel. Instead of relying on caffeine or sugary snacks, a simple serving of sweet potatoes can provide long-lasting energy, helping you feel more active throughout the day. This is especially useful if you enjoy walks, gardening, or spending time with grandkids and want the stamina to keep up. Supports longevity. Finally, one of the most powerful benefits of sweet potatoes is how they contribute to overall longevity. Populations that eat a lot of sweet potatoes, like the Okinawans in Japan, are among the longest living people in the world. Their diets are rich in purple sweet potatoes, which are packed with antioxidants that protect cells from aging and disease. Think about it. What if one of the secrets to living not just longer, but healthier, was already sitting in your kitchen? Sweet potatoes may not be flashy, but their nutrients are some of the most protective nature has to offer. How to eat sweet potatoes the right way? Now that we've seen all these benefits, how should you eat sweet potatoes to get the most out of them? The best ways are boiling, steaming, or baking, and always try to keep the skin on, since that's where many of the nutrients are concentrated. Avoid frying them, because that cancels out a lot of the health benefits. Pair them with a little healthy fat like olive oil or avocado, which helps your body absorb the beta-carotene more efficiently. And for those watching blood sugar, boiled sweet potatoes cooled and then eaten as part of a meal are the gentlest on your glucose levels. So there you have it. Seniors who eat sweet potatoes the right way can support their eyes, brain, heart, digestion, skin, bones, and so much more. This simple route is truly nature's gift to aging well. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Fitness Tips for more science-based advice on staying fit, healthy, and independent at any age. Before you go, let me ask you, what's your favorite way to eat sweet potatoes? Roasted, mashed, or maybe in a soup? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.